Hey everyone, welcome to Click Fix. Today I'll show you how to pause your Snapchat location in just a few simple steps. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in, tap the location icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Snap Map. Now tap the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. You'll see an option called Ghost Mode. Make sure this is disabled for now. We'll control the location through your phone settings instead. Next, minimize Snapchat and open your phone's Settings app. Scroll down until you find Snapchat in your app list. And tap on it. Now select Location from the menu. You'll see several options here. Tap on Never. This prevents Snapchat from accessing your location entirely. And that's it. Your Snapchat location is now paused, and the app won't be able to track or share your whereabouts on SnapMap. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to ClickFix for more quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching.